let's look at these two major assets and see what we can achieve from it. Okay, and we will still be using the same trading strategy which have been giving us profitable results on daily basis. Okay, so and I believe that you guys are also enjoying the trading strategy. If you don't know more about it, or probably you've been looking for a profitable trading strategy like this, then I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of how it works. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you send direct message to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, this is Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999. It's going to be the first asset we will be checking out today, and we are on 15 minutes time frame. If you remember yesterday, I actually dropped the signal yesterday when it got to this resistance zone, and it switched into a downtrend and gave us sell signals at this point. So I gave us an entry point right here, and of course a stop loss. And this actually sold till it got to this region, achieving TP1, 2, and 3 before having this major pullback. It switched back into an uptrend and bought till it got to this region. Okay, but lucky for us, if you did not lose your trade, I mean, because it is yet to achieve the last two TPs, then definitely you should be in big profits again. Okay, so and although the first three TPs have been achieved already before that major pullback, so right now it has gotten to this region. So what should we expect from here? Number one, we want it to get back to this region. Okay, because it is on downtrend right now. We want it to get back to this region, and of course, we want it to break out from here. Okay, once it breaks out from there, then it is coming here. Now, let me zoom it out a bit so that you get to see it very well. So, once it breaks out from here, it is going to achieve this, and it will definitely achieve this. Okay, so these are the two major TPs that we are waiting for it to achieve. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of it right from there, and this will be a good selling opportunity once this is broken. So if you have not even taken the signal before, you can still look for a way to come in at the pullback, and of course try to milk the market till this very end. Okay, so that is where we are expecting it to get to. Okay, so now let's check out the second asset, which is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. I remember very well, we actually milked this particular asset from this resistance zone, and we ended it at this support zone. So with the hope that it's going to switch into an uptrend. Of course, it switched and bought for a while, but it didn't go too far before going back down and break out below this support zone. Okay, so when it broke out below the support zone, I said we can jump into it again and start selling right from there. So right now it has sold till it got to this support region. I've been monitoring it. Right now it has gotten to the support zone. That has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to switch into an uptrend. So right here it gave us an entry point and a stop loss. So it just activated the entry point right now. So these are some of the highlighted TPs that you can take advantage of. Okay. So you can have your first TP at that point, your second TP somewhere here, the third TP should be somewhere here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this and try to get the fourth TP for us, because we are most likely to have a long trading opportunity with this, even though it is possible for us not to, I mean, for it to be pulling back once in a while, so it can delay when it will get it achieved. Okay, so this is very, very important. So now let's see more TPs. Right here is another TP, and of course another one around here. Okay, so let's see how all this TP will play out first. Once they play out very well, then definitely we should be in big profit by then. Now, let me quickly explain the same strategy which I have been using to milk the market for us right here. Okay, what I have realized within the past few months, that have been over a year that I've been using this strategy, is that the market actually try to go on a particular trend for a very long time. Now, let me prove this to you. When this, okay, let me start from here. When this got to this resistance zone, it's changed back into a downtrend. And of course, you can see even a single order made it to this level. It sold till it got to this support zone. So at this support zone, it switched back into an uptrend and a buy order got it to this region. Okay. And of course, guys, when it got to the resistance zone and it was unable to break out from there, and a sell order after the trend signal got it to this region, and this also had the pullback and went up till it got to this spot, and right from there we had another order, and you can see it right here. It has gotten into this support zone. So now let me explain to you why this is like that. Okay, this is like that because this is a trend trading game. Okay, the most of these assets follow the trend, and I realized that it is very easy to trade along with the trend than to trade against it. So um, with that information known to me, I had to look for a way to come in whenever the market is on a particular trend. Okay, so there are three major trends. We have the downtrend, we have the uptrend, then we have the sideways trend. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So once you understand this, it will help you to know how to go about this. So when the market is on uptrend, when it is on uptrend like this, you buy alone. Okay, but for it to be on uptrend, or for you to go into the market because it is on uptrend, it must be coming from a major support zone like this. Okay, so when the market is on downtrend, then you only sell alone. Okay, and for you to go on with the signal, you need it to come from a major resistance zone like this. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so another thing which I feel you should know is how to set up your trade. For instance, when you have a pure signal like this, okay, a good signal like this, all you need to do is to make sure you are able to set up your trade in such a way that both your capital, and your profit will be secured. Okay, so now let's see it, guys. Um, this is how I set up my trade. This already gave me a signal, an uptrend signal. You can see the yellow color, and of course, I've seen the blue colored arrow here, which is the buy signal. The red colored arrow is a sell signal. Okay, so this buy signal goes well with this uptrend. Okay, and the uptrend is coming from this support zone. Okay, so once we have been able to confirm all these, and the trend is just starting, so it is a good trading opportunity for us. So what we need to do is to set up our trade. How do we do that? We try to get our entry point, which is what the blue arrow has given to us. This is our entry point, and of course we can make use of the support zone to mark out our stop loss. Like I always tell people, your your stop loss is very important in every trading activities you're doing. Okay, because your capital is your hard-earned money, and you need to secure it. Okay, you need to secure it with everything you have. So your stop loss is there to help you secure your capital. So that is why I will always advise you to make use of your stop loss. Even if you are to create three orders, make sure each of the orders are having stop loss. Okay, different stop loss. Okay, so this is very, very important. And of course, I also highlighted some tips for myself in case I am not online. Okay, so that is how I do it. It is as simple as that, guys. It is as simple as that. So, with this method, you have taken emotion out of it. You have taken emotion out of it. Okay. Most of the time, emotion is a major factor that affects our trading activities. But this time around, this kind of setup has taken emotion out of it. Number one, we are sure of the trend. Number two, we are sure of the entry point. Number three, we are sure we are going at the right place. Number four, then we have a good setup for ourselves. Our entry point, our stop loss for each of our order, then our TPs have been highlighted. So this makes it very easy for us to trade. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.